How's it everyone? Charlie here from Pro Properties today in Rooihuiskraal, bringing you an absolutely stunning house. If you're looking for something a little bit different with a lot of space and you love entertaining, this is definitely one to check out. Let's go have a look. We start off with the front garden and the north face of the house. Most of the windows have been replaced by aluminium framed windows. It has a double garage and a double carport. Entering the house from the front door, you're greeted by the very spacious lounge and dining area. The stunning kitchen features a center island with prep bowl, and you also have a loose standing gas stove, extractor fan, concrete top space for a double door fridge, a separate scullery laundry area, and a very nice big pantry. Let's go have a look at the sleeping arrangements. Bedroom 1 and 2 are the same size. Both have built-in cupboards and both feature laminated floors. These two bedrooms share the separate toilet and shower basin bathroom. Both very stylishly redone. Bedroom number 3, further down the hallway, also has built-in cupboard, an ensuite bathroom with basin, toilet, shower. We pass through a study, which is perfect for those work from home solutions, into the main bedroom. The main bedroom, ample space, laminated floors, built-in cupboards, and basin, toilet, bath in the ensuite bathroom. Let's go have a look at that beautiful entertainment area. More than one braai will happen here. It has a prep bowl, very nice big braai, and if you're looking for a sign, this is it. Another nice feature of the property is that there is an area which is ready for a flat over here. Now the bedroom also has a fireplace and a door that leads outside. Let's go have a look at the outside garden on the backyard. The back garden filled with beautiful trees and established plants, perfect for a nature lover. What a fantastic property. If you're interested in this property, reach out to me. Let's get you into a viewing appointment. Thanks.